Fernande Van Tets has more from The Hague.
20 years is the sentence handed down by the International Criminal Court here in The Hague to Janjaweed leader Abdurrahman, also known as Abu Kushayb. He is convicted for murders and rape and torture that took place in 2003 and 2004 in the Darfur region of Sudan. He was convicted in October on 31 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity. And the judge outlined here today how he personally killed 2 people with an axe, as well as ordering his Janjaweed militia to murder and rape. Now, this sentence of 20 years, if he serves it 2/3 of it, which is what usually happens, he will be out by the time he's 86. He's currently 76. Victims here had asked that he not be allowed to return to Sudan. We'll have to see if that happens. However, they said it's also really important that this is the first time that is recognized that the violence that took place in Sudan wasn't just intertribal, that it was in a more organized fashion. Now, this is also a first because it's the first case that was referred to the court by the UN Security Council. Sudan is not a signatory of the Rome Statute. It is not a member of the court, so usually the court doesn't have jurisdiction there. However, in 2005, the UN Security Council referred the events taking place in Darfur since 2002 to the court. And in addition to this case, there's 5 other cases the court is hoping to prosecute, but some of the suspects, including former President Omar al-Bashir, remain at large. Now, all of this makes it very relevant today with the horrific violence in Sudan, because the court still today only has jurisdiction over what goes on in Darfur.